Scots. I'm Tessa Egerton.
And I'm Eliana Burquez. Welcome back to another episode of Scots Weekly.
Happy Friday, everyone.
All right, let's jump into today's school announcements. First up, Highland High School Theater proudly presents Mean Girls School Edition.
Join them for a fetch night of music, drama, and pink as North Shore High takes the stage.
You'll laugh and cheer.
Opening night is today at 7 p.m. in the Wall. Tickets are $10 at the door.
Remember that the show plays tonight at 7 p.m. and tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Don't miss out on this totally gruel production.
Next up, Scots, if you have a birthday that you're celebrating or something special,
please remember that Highland cannot accept deliveries like flowers, balloons, or food.
And that includes any large items too, so plan ahead, Scots. Finally, are you getting ready to apply for college?
Don't miss out. The college application workshop happening every Monday at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. in room 2A, right next to the library.
Get help with your application essays and any questions you may have about the process. Don't wait, your future starts now.
Who am I here with today?
My name is Angel Posadas. I'm the interventionist here at Highland.
And what is one piece of advice you have for high school students?
When you're at Highland, just be a good person. When you're away, still be a good person.
Thank you.
All right, who am I here with today?
I'm Kenny. I'm the athletic trainer and equipment manager here at Highland High School.
One question for you. What's one advice you give to high school students?
Trust your gut,
Yeah.
and follow Jesus.
Yes, sir, always.
Hey, Scots, I'm here with.
Miss Erna?
And today's question is, what advice would you give to high school students?
The advice I'd give to high school students is to enjoy your life, because after 4 years, that's pretty much it. It's over.
Thank you so much. Who am I here with?
Mrs. Martinez.
And what's one piece of advice you have for high school students?
I think to be successful in high school, you need time management. You need to prioritize what needs to get done and try your best to get that done.
I agree. Thank you.
All right, who am I here with today?
Coach Junior.
All right, I have one question for you. What's one piece of advice you would give to high school students?
I would say set goals and accomplish them.
Hey, Scots, I'm here with.
Coach Varela.
And today's question is, what advice do you give to high school students about their future endeavors?
Well, one of the few things is, first of all, is finish off with high school and finish off strong. It's not necessarily how you start it, it's how you finish it. And one of the things that I do recommend for, say, for example, seniors that are graduating, have a goal. Have a goal established or set up where that you know that you want to, say, for example, obtain. Talked about future endeavors. Well, future endeavors comes in different ways. As far as going to college, going to a trade school, getting some training, or going straight to a job. Everything that you do, you have to give 100%. There's two things in life that you can control: effort and attitude. And if you can control those and know that that's exactly what you want to do, and your effort is 100% and your attitude is great, then you will be able to succeed. But make sure you establish your goals and control what you can control: effort and attitude. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Time for a quick commercial break.
Stay tuned, Scots. We'll be right back.
It's time for Think It, Link It, Ink It.
Hi Scots, today we're here with Eva Reyes and Jason Flores to look at their notes and discuss highlighting key terms and underlining main ideas.
So, Jason, I see that you created lots of notes with an essential question at the top and crossed out a few things. What is your next step?
Now I need to reread my notes and look for key words and highlight them. I'm looking for words that seem to me like vocabulary words. These words stand out to me: cells, host, energy, environment, and stimuli. This really helps because when I go back over my notes, these keywords will stand out to me.
Thanks, Jason.
Eva, you've also got some good notes going here. I see highlighting in yours already. What's your next step?
Now, I need to look back over my notes again and find some key ideas and concepts and underline them in colored pen. These are some main ideas that stand out to me. Confucianism had a revival. Society is made of unequal relationships, and new implement of an old philosophy. Notice how I underlined some highlighted words? That's because often keywords are part of main ideas. Underlining in colored pen helps them stand out too.
Thanks, Eva. Jason and Eva, thank you for being with us today to show all Scots how to
think it, link it, and ink it with focus notes.
Welcome back, Scots.
Hey, Tessa, did you know we have no school next Monday or Tuesday?
Really?
Yep, Tuesday is Veterans Day.
That's great. Now let's get back to the show.
It's time to check in with our sports team crew.
Yo, what's up, Scots? I'm Freaky Barra.
And I'm Luke Parra.
SCOT, Scotsmen stand up.
And we're back with some more sports announcements.
The Highland football team just wrapped up their season this past Friday.
While we did take a loss to end the season, the future is bright and the school spirit was amazing.
Don't worry, Scots, we'll bounce back next year. The volleyball team just wrapped up their best season since Coach Cerna took over the program.
Despite facing challenges all year, this group stayed committed, pushing themselves every day to get better.
Also, Scots, if you're not doing a winter sport, the track and field team wants you.
Conditioning starts November 17th at 4:15 in the weight room.
Don't miss out.
Our Highland Girls tennis team has been on fire lately. They're advancing to the Valley Championship against Mission Oaks later today.
Let's go, Scots. Good luck on your matches. That's it for us, Scots.
Have a great weekend.
Thanks for the sports update.
Now let's check out this video.
If you or someone you know is struggling with substances or substances-related issues, come see Ms. Cerna and Ms. Rosales in RC7.
Hi guys, my name is Ms. Cerna. I'm the substance abuse specialist. If you're interested in any services for substance use, go ahead and stop by, or you can ask a trusted adult and they can make a referral.
What's up? I have a deal going on if you're interested.
Oh, for sure. I'm down. Yeah, let's try. Oh, okay. Come on, do it. No. Bro, YOLO. She wants to take it like right now. Yeah.
You can have mine.
You can have mine. Okay.
Oh,
Are you sure?
Alright, give it here now. Thank you.
Oh no, Scarlett, wait. Somebody call 911.
911, someone overdosed. Help!
Fentanyl was involved in 76% of all adolescent drug fatalities, which is also the third leading cause for adolescent deaths in the ages 13 to 17 years old. Doing any types of drug is very dangerous and could lead to toxic states.
Say no to drugs and always flat up.
Thank you for the video.
Don't go anywhere.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
Are you ready to Rochambeau?
Heck yes!
Here you go. Excuse me, can I challenge?
No!
Remember, Scots, you cannot decline a challenge. I finally have 10 beads to challenge a teacher. Ready?
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Hey! Now I get a gold bead!
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Hi Scott, Rochambeau is coming up very soon, so here are some rules to remember. Instead of having 5 white beads like we had the previous years, it's now 10 white beads to challenge any teacher. If someone asks to challenge you, you cannot reject the challenge. If you get defeated by your opponent, you have to hand over all of your beaded necklaces to your opponent. The top 2 students with the most Rochambeau beads will then compete at lunchtime on the final day. I wish you the best of luck, Scots, and make sure to have fun.
Welcome back, Scots.
We have one more announcement.
Hey, are you guys doing anything this weekend? If not, you should totally come watch Mean Girls tonight at 7 p.m. If you can't come tonight, then you can come tomorrow at 7 p.m. The admission fees are $10 per person, and it's PG-13. Any ages can come. Also, doors open at 6:30, so be there or be squared.
Hey, Scots!
Have you ever wanted to see a real Broadway star perform on stage? Well, guess who's coming to Highland?
Who?
Miss Carrie Butler.
What?
She's going to be coming this coming Tuesday at 7 o'clock. Doors open at 6:30.
If y'all got nothing to do after the Veterans Day barbecue, you should come on by. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be really cool.
$20 at the door.
Be there or be square.
That's all for today.
And always remember to
flat up.